Have you ever wondered about the best places to visit in Austria? Picture a land of rolling green hills, snow-capped mountains and vibrant cityscapes. This is Austria, a country steeped in history, brimming with culture, and blessed with breathtaking landscapes. Austria weaves a tale of centuries-old traditions, from the grandeur of Imperial Vienna to the Baroque beauty of Saltsburg, the birthplace of Mozart. Yet it's not just about the past. Austria is a country that embraces the present, offering a smorgasbord of contemporary art, music and cuisine in its bustling cities. Imagine walking in the footsteps of emperors, hiking through pristine alpine meadows, or simply losing yourself in the melody of a Strauss waltz. But Austria isn't just about what you see or hear, it's about what you experience. So buckle up for an unforgettable journey as we traverse through the heart of Europe, exploring the wonders of Austria. Join us as we count down the top 10 must-visit locations in this beautiful country. Starting off our list at number 10 is Graz, Austria's second-largest city. This urban gem sparkles with a unique blend of Renaissance and Baroque architecture, which is beautifully preserved in its Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. As we wander the cobbled streets, we're captivated by the charm of the past. But don't let the ancient facades fool you. Graz is also a city that embraces the future, as evidenced by the ultra-modern Kunsthaus, a contemporary art museum that stands out amidst the historical surroundings. A trip to Graz is never complete without a visit to Schlossberg, a hilltop fortress that offers panoramic views of the city. Here you can catch your breath and soak in the stunning sights. For the foodies, why not explore the local farmers markets? Try the region's specialty, Styrian wine, known for its aromatic and crisp flavor. Graz truly offers a unique blend of the old and new. Coming in at number 9 we have Innsbruck, the capital of Tyrol. A city that's as stunning in winter as it is in summer, Innsbruck is nestled in the heart of the Austrian Alps. This city is known for its striking alpine scenery that is sure to take your breath away. But Innsbruck is not just about the views, it also boasts a rich sporting history. It has hosted the Winter Olympics twice, making it a haven for winter sports enthusiasts. From skiing down the powdery slopes to ice skating in the crisp winter air, there's plenty to keep you entertained. As the snow melts away, Innsbruck transforms into a hiker's paradise. The summer sun reveals a network of trails that crisscross the mountains, offering stunning views at every turn. From leisurely strolls to challenging climbs, there's a trail for every level of hiker. So, whether you're a winter sports fanatic or a summer hiking enthusiast, Innsbruck is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 8 on our list is the picturesque Wachau Valley. Nestled between the towns of Melk and Krems, this enchanting region is renowned for its stunning landscapes and centuries-old winemaking tradition. The valley's rolling vineyards, charming villages and medieval castles create a timeless tableau that's a feast for the eyes. But the Wachau Valley is not just about sightseeing, it's about experiencing. Imagine pedaling along the serene Danube River, the breeze in your hair, the sun on your skin, and the valley's beauty unfolding around you. Cycling here is an experience like no other, and it's one of the best ways to explore this UNESCO World Heritage Site. And then there's the wine. The Wachau Valley is one of Austria's premier wine regions. A wine tasting experience here is a journey through flavors, a celebration of the region's viticultural heritage. Whether you're a casual sipper or a seasoned connoisseur, you'll find something to delight your palate. Wachau Valley is a true gem for nature and wine lovers alike. At number 7, we have the stunning Salzkammergut region. Imagine a place where the beauty of nature intertwines with history and culture. A place where the mountains kiss the sky and the lakes mirror the heavens. That's Salzkammergut for you. This region is a patchwork of 76 lakes, each one more beautiful than the last, dotted with quaint and charming villages that seem to have sprung straight from a fairy tale. The adventurer in you will be thrilled with the myriad of activities that Salzkammergut offers. From boating on crystal-clear lakes to hiking up the majestic mountains, there's always something to get your heart racing. And if you're one for culture, the region's villages are a treasure trove of historical sites and charming architectural wonders. Picture this, spending your day exploring and your evenings unwinding by the lake, the mountains standing sentinel in the distance. That's Salzkammergut. Salzkammergut is a haven for those seeking tranquility. Number 6 on our list is the vibrant city of Bregenz. A city that shines like a gem on the eastern shores of Lake Constance. Bregenz, the capital of Vorarlberg, is often celebrated for its lively art scene. It's a place where striking modern architecture and centuries-old buildings coexist harmoniously, creating a blend of old and new that's uniquely Bregenz. Now, if you're a fan of music and performing arts, Bregenz is your paradise. The city is home to the famed Bregenz Festival, an annual summer music festival that attracts artists and spectators from around the world. Imagine attending a concert on a floating stage on Lake Constance. It's an experience that's as magical as it sounds. But the city's allure doesn't stop at music. Take a stroll around the city and you'll find a plethora of art galleries, museums, and avant-garde buildings. In Bregenz, culture is not just admired, it's lived and breathed. Bregenz is a must-visit for culture and music lovers. Coming in at number 5 is the captivating Zell am See. Nestled between mighty alpine peaks, this charming town is a symphony of sparkling waters, verdant slopes, and breathtaking glacial beauty. It's a place where nature's artistry is on grand display. Imagine gliding across the shimmering surface of Lake Zell, the town's beautiful heart, on a serene cruise. Or, if you're a thrill seeker, you'll find your paradise on the town's ski slopes, where the rush of the descent is matched only by the awe-inspiring views. But Zell am See's allure doesn't stop there. The Kitzsteinhorn Glacier, a majestic icy landscape, is a playground for snowboarders and a haven for those seeking a unique alpine experience. It's a testament to the town's versatility, offering both tranquil beauty and adrenaline-fueled excitement. From the tranquility of lake cruises to the exhilaration of skiing and snowboarding, Zell am See is a year-round destination with something for everyone. At number 4 we have the idyllic village of Hallstatt. With its picture-perfect setting beside a tranquil lake and nestled between towering mountains, Hallstatt is a vision straight out of a fairy tale. This charming village is so unique that it holds a coveted spot on the UNESCO World Heritage List. But Hallstatt is not just about beautiful landscapes, it's also a place of rich history. A settlement for over 7,000 years, the village is teeming with historic sites that tell stories of a bygone era. Wander through the narrow, winding streets, and you'll encounter centuries-old buildings, each with its own tale to tell. For those seeking adventure, the surrounding mountains offer ample opportunities for hiking. With each step you'll be rewarded with stunning views of the lake and the village below. Whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or simply in search of a peaceful retreat, Hallstatt has something to offer. Hallstatt is the epitome of Austrian charm. Number 3 on our list is the enchanting city of Saltsburg. This city is a symphony of Baroque architecture, harmoniously blending with the stunning alpine backdrop. Salzburg is the birthplace of the legendary composer Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart, and his spirit seems to echo in every corner. From the charming narrow lanes to the grandeur of Salzburg Cathedral, the city is a living testament to its rich musical heritage. If you find yourself in Salzburg, make sure to pay a visit to the Hohensalzburg Fortress. This magnificent fortress sits atop the Festungsberg Hill, offering panoramic views of the city and beyond. For the music enthusiasts, attending a Mozart concert is a must. Imagine immersing yourself in the genius of Mozart's compositions, performed in the very city where he was born and raised. And yes, for the movie buffs out there, Salzburg is also famously known for the sound of music. Salzburg is a city that exudes music and history. Coming in at number 2 we have the imperial city of Vienna. Vienna is an intoxicating blend of old and new, a city of grand palaces, world-class museums, and a coffeehouse culture that's second to none. Imagine stepping into the grandeur of the past at the Schönbrunn Palace, once the summer residence of the Habsburgs. With its stunning architecture and beautiful gardens, it's a reminder of the city's imperial legacy. Now let's not overlook Vienna's vibrant art scene. The city's museums are a treasure trove of masterpieces, from the works of Gustav Klimt at the Belvedere to the modernist marvels at the Muumok. And after a day of sightseeing, what could be more Viennese than settling into a cozy coffee house? Savor a cup of Viennese coffee, perhaps accompanied by a slice of the city's famous Sachertorte. Vienna is a city where history comes alive. It's a place that's steeped in culture yet always looking forward, beckoning you to explore, experience, and enjoy. And finally at number 1 we have the breathtaking Austrian Alps. An alpine wonderland that captivates with its stunning landscapes, a symphony of snow-capped peaks, verdant valleys, and serene lakes. This mountainous masterpiece is a true paradise for nature lovers, home to a diverse array of flora and fauna. The Austrian Alps offer more than just a visual feast. They invite exploration. Hiking trails wind through lush meadows, past cascading waterfalls, and up to panoramic viewpoints. The air is clean and crisp, filled with the songs of native birds. Here, birdwatching becomes a delightful pursuit, and when winter rolls in, the Austrian Alps transform into a world-class skiing destination. The slopes come alive with skiers and snowboarders, carving their way down the mountains under a brilliant blue sky. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-timer, the Alps cater to all skill levels. The Austrian Alps are a testament to nature's grandeur and beauty. A must-visit destination that is sure to leave you in awe of Mother Nature's artistry. And there you have it, the top 10 places to visit in Austria. This captivating country is a treasure trove brimming with historic cities like Vienna and Saltsburg, majestic alpine landscapes, and scenic lakeside towns like Hallstatt. Each location offers a unique blend of natural beauty, rich history, and vibrant culture. In Graz you'll find a harmonious blend of the old and the new. Innsbruck, the Alpine capital, teems with outdoor adventures. Wachau, a picturesque wine region, is perfect for those who appreciate a good glass of wine. Salzkammergut, the Austrian Lake District, is a haven for nature lovers. Bregenz, Zell and the Austrian Alps offer unparalleled natural beauty and thrilling outdoor activities. So, whether you're a history buff, an outdoor enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates beautiful landscapes and rich culture, Austria has something for you. So go ahead, pack your bags and let your wanderlust guide you. Austria awaits. The journey is yours to make.